My name is Danielle Voorhies. I graduated from the political science program in spring of 2013. Currently, I am living and working in Shanghai, China. I do a lot of different things, but I actually have my own social enterprise. So I'm still working on Ferris's projects, and I'm doing recruitment for Ferris, as well as marketing, trying to brand the university and build up awareness of the university and also the reputation amongst students in China. And while I'm doing that, it's a social enterprise, so we help build libraries in rural areas and also do like fun lessons for mostly younger students in like very rural villages of China, and also bring them like school supplies and just try to give back and make sure that these students know that there are more opportunities for them and to not drop out of school. I found out about Ferris because I'm actually from Grand Haven, Michigan, which is only an hour and a half away. And when I first entered Ferris, I was in the criminal justice program, and that's a kind of nationally renowned program. So of course Ferris was the obvious choice for me, and it was also so close to home. And later I wanted to go into political science, and Ferris also had a program for that. And I loved the small class sizes, so that was a big pulling point for me to continue have all 4 years at Ferris. For me, I think the biggest factor was definitely being able to have more international opportunities. And also, Ferris was a lot more understanding when it came to me wanting to be able to get real life experience, because I always wanted to be able to work while I was studying, and also to be able to get out of the classroom experience. And Ferris always pushes that a lot and was very open-minded to it. I was involved in a lot of RSOs. But the two most important ones to me were the Circle of Tribal Nations, because I was one of the people who helped reinstate it, because it had kind of faded off, the lost status. And then me, one other person, were the main people to bring that organization back on campus and really start hosting tribal events on campus. And then I also was the founder for FS Ubuntu. So I created my own organization on campus with the help of course, the international office. And that organization was designed to help students who were interested in studying abroad to be able to learn how to apply for international scholarships like Fulbright. I think being a Bulldog to me means just to be persistent and to be strong and tough, kind of like the demeanor that a Bulldog has. But at the same time, just be friendly. And just go out there and just do what you wanted to do and what you're prepared to do. Take everything that you learned while you were on campus and just go out and use it. And don't be afraid to try new things. I've lived in 2 countries that I went there not speaking a word of the language, doing things that I never even dreamed that I would do. And I've been perfectly fine. And so the biggest thing is just being determined. So I think that's definitely what being a Bulldog means to me, is just being determined and getting out there and doing what you're prepared to do.